Welcome to the 4.5 Sheraton Econoconet, strategically located at the historic crossroads linking the southern highways to state capital Uyo, Calabar and Aba. We're just 15 minutes away from Uyo Airport, as well as within easy access to major landmarks in Akwa Ibom. These iconic 12-story building houses 146 modern rooms and suites with floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking Ikot Ekpene. After a long day of work or travel, relax in front of the flat-screen IPTV or get a good night's sleep in our signature 4-comfort bed. Start each day with a great breakfast at the Palm in Mdida restaurant and indulge in delicious local and international cuisine. Catch the latest sports game or grab a cup of coffee and snack to go at our Uta bar. Sample a great selection of local, regional and imported craft beers from our best brews program at our poolside bar Akwa Ibom. Simple pleasures are also offered with cocktails and great meals at the rooftop lounge, Cecil Lounge. Planning a hassle-free meeting, training or social gatherings in Ikot Ekpene, every business and social events hosted at 4.0 Ikot Ekpene promises to be a success. Stay fit with our well-equipped fitness center and enjoy a refreshing dip in our swimming pool or relax over a game of tennis with a friend. Whether you're in town for business or leisure, the 4.5 Sheraton Econoconet reinvents travel in the heart of southern Nigeria.